What's up, everybody? This is the second video of the vending machine compilation. Let's see what I can get from good stuff. It's another, it's like a build Lego thingamajigger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. What do you think it's gonna be, Heidi? It could be. It doesn't have to be listed. It could be anything else. Like a keychain.
That's what I meant. I meant to say the keychain.
Oh, look, it's a 4-leaf clover. It looks like something like that. I'm gonna go out on a limb and think I'm gonna get that. Oh, look, another sock monkey. Sweet. Oh, the best prize in here. I haven't played this machine since it was a car machine. A pull-back car, you pull it and say peace. Thanks for watching. This is pretty full. Oh, these are pretty empty. Yeah. I actually got one of these at Chuck E. Cheese. Not this one, though, the red one. I was gonna say he was red, but don't look like it. I would play this one, but it didn't take my money last time, but it pretended it did. And I played with it a little bit, literally. Is that a pun? But then it gave me my prize right after that. As I was saying, so what happened was someone put in 75 cents and it took the money, quote unquote, but you just have to play with it, no pun intended. So I got a blue one, sweet. Biggest color, I'm gonna go with red, my favorite. And it's, what is that, orange? Goldish orange. And thanks for watching. I might do a part 3.